All right, so if you ever want to share your Canva designs, then I'm going to show you step by step how to do this. And let me share with you a situation. Now, if you're working with others and you're collaborating on designs, or you even want to add people to your Canva account, but you don't want to go through that hassle, you want to just simple create a design, share it with them, and they can use their free Canva account to edit it and to do whatever it is, then this is a very easy and cost effective approach that I'm about to share with you. So as you can see here, guys, I'm in Canva, and I'm gonna just simple open up a design here. So let's just take this as an example. I believe this is a thumbnail that I was trying to create, or business card, don't remember exactly. All right, so this is an example. And let's say you want to share this with someone. You don't necessarily want to give them a you don't necessarily want to invite them to your account. You don't necessarily want to invite them and add them to your Canva account, but you just want to focus on this design so that they can maybe continue to edit it, maybe to use it as a template, or whatever it is that you're working with someone. You can easily do this. And all you really have to do, guys, is simply go to share on the upper right hand side, and from here, you want to go ahead and change this from only who you can access. Switch this to anyone with the link, right? Once you change this, guys, you will have the option now to give them the opportunity to edit it or comment it or to view it. So if you want them to edit it and to maybe use it as a template, leave it and can edit. Then go ahead and choose the option to see more on the lower right hand side and scroll down, guys, and you want to use email. You can use any other approach, right? But I'm just using email as an example right here. So you would want to go ahead and click on email, and all you have to do now, enter their email address here and click on send. What that is going to do is going to allow the user now to receive an invite, and they'll be able to click on that link, and it's going to take them right into Canva, as long as they have a Canva account, of course, and they'll be able to edit it, they'll be able to do whatever. And one of the cool things is that if you have your own Canva account open, you can literally see their mouse moving from within your account as well. So it is super easy. But the point of this is that you don't have to invite someone, you don't have to upgrade your account to have a family pack. If you just want to work with someone, you can create your own designs. It doesn't matter if it's a free template or not. It doesn't matter if you're on a free Canva account or not. You can easily go ahead, create your designs, then you can share it with them and they can easily work with it from there. And that's it. I found this as a very cost effective and easy approach to share your templates with others, and go ahead and give that a try. If you find this useful, give this video a like, let me know in the comments below if you have any question, guys, and hit that subscribe button to become a part of this community. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video.